Today we're going to demonstrate a practical use for the Tetraflexagon. You can see it's a two-sided puzzle. The idea is what you're going to need is really just a pair of scissors. Cut out along the dotted line, the puzzle, and then when you get the outside trimmed, it's going to leave you here. I recommend to cut out the middle, that you simply fold it in half as carefully as you can, because you really have an 8x8 square here, and then take your pair of scissors and cut out the whole middle at the same time by cutting along the dotted lines. Here. Here and there. Okay. What that will do is it gets you this this pretty little 8x8 square with about 12 separate little segments that go around it. If you look carefully, there's letters that are included in the segments. I have a capital A and a small a, and a capital B and a small b, and you'll see why that's there in a second. I have one that's all pre-folded up, but it's important that you play with it and fold the puzzle as best you can, so that you get all different, all the little blocks folded and creased in both directions. So you want to orient the puzzle with the We the People in the left-hand corner. You'll see that's where the large A and the small a is. It's only 4 folds, but the last one's a little tricky. We're just going to take A to A for the first crease. That lines up B to B for the second crease. The third crease is large C to small c. If you flip the puzzle over at this point, you're going to see that there's 3 out of the 4 presidents are staring at you. The fourth one is hidden beneath the lower flap. And you see the large letter D on this corner, which is the left corner of the puzzle. I like to put my thumb on that corner, and then what we're going to do is we're going to lift it up and invert it into that hole. So we're taking pretty much the large letter D by the little D1. If you do it correctly, all 4 of the presidents should be staring at you. Okay, I'm going to do that one more time and slow it down a bit. Okay. So starting with We the People on the left-hand side, you're going to fold it A to A, B to B, and C to C. And again, this is the tricky fold. It's just trying to get this president looking the other direction. You see the D1 and the large D here in the corner. So we're just going to take the puzzle and we're just going to lift up a little bit and fold it and invert it, tuck it inside, and it should, if you crease everything right, it should just form the puzzle. Again, this is a Tetraflexagon because it's now taking 6 images in like a slide projection show. To do the puzzle, I like to start with my thumb on top of John Adams and pull it straight down for the first picture. This is a picture of where the Constitution Convention was held at the Philadelphia State House, which we now know as Independence Hall. Okay? The second picture is the President's chair where George Washington sat. You'll see a quote later on about this rising or setting sun from Ben Franklin. The third fold reveals the Bill of Rights, which was ratified in 1791. The fourth fold gets you back to the presidents, where now you can reorient by putting your thumb to the left side of James Madison and pulling it out. You'll see the 3 branches of government. And then the final fold for the 6th picture is the quote by Franklin about the rising or setting sun on the back of the chair. And that's the Tetraflexagon with a historical purpose. To get back to the presidents, just keep playing with it till George Washington's in the upper left-hand corner, and then you're done.